Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Fresh Food. Today's recipe is egg toast. Egg toast is super easy to make under 10 minutes. It is filling, delicious and easily customizable. Egg toast is a popular Indian street food that's loved by everyone. To make this recipe, we need 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1/4 teaspoon, finely chopped green chillies and few chopped coriander leaves. You can even add onions, bell peppers and tomatoes in fine cubes and add to this mixture. This is optional. Dip each slice of bread into the egg mixture, making sure it has soaked up all of the liquid. Heat a frying pan over a medium heat and add the batter or oil. Swirl the batter or oil around the pan, and when it's beginning to foam or oil gets hot, add the bread and fry on each side for 1 minute or until golden brown. Transfer to a plate and serve it hot as an evening snack or a morning breakfast recipe. Egg toast is a simple dish of bread slices dipped in spiced egg and vegetable mixture and toast to perfection. You're likely to find many different variations served as street food in Asian countries. In India, you will see street vendors making these egg toast all day long. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.